This guide provides a description of Sync-Rite, which is a software tool that interfaces with the Sync-Rite Plus, designed by WEG electric machinery. To view starts data, plot them, and download them on your computer, begin by left-clicking Open Port. Next, directly under Settings Retrieval, left-click Get Sync-Rite Settings. Next, directly under Sync-Rite Wireless Settings Stream Rate, select the drop-down menu. Select your desired stream rate and left-click Set Stream Rate. To begin viewing starts data, in the top left corner, left-click Data Records. Next, left-click Update Record History directly below the Data Records tab. To view the power up and power down times, left-click Get PU/PD Times. As the power up and power down times populate, the progress can be viewed in the lower left corner with the green progress bar. To plot and download records, left-click your desired starts time and select Get Data Set. In the lower left corner, the green bar provides information on the dataset's progress. The time it takes to retrieve the dataset is directly related to the streaming rate. The higher the streaming rate, the faster the dataset will be retrieved. In some cases, a high streaming rate can cause the data to be incomplete because some data requested will be missed. If this happens, the following box will appear. Once the dataset has been retrieved, left-click Starts Plots, located directly right of Data Records tab. To begin downloading records, left-click the Data Records tab. Next, left-click Export Dataset. Select the location, name the file, and save the data.